with latest updates of ComfyUI, and currently I'm running on 20.1. I noticed that the drifting of the ComfyUI content from running directly on your computer to more accessing like APIs. Well, let me show you example. Right here, you can see the latest updates, and I sort all new templates or workflows based on newest. And almost all of the new we can see this is actually require all API access. It means it's required you to pay or buy special credits to use it. And to me, it feels it's drifting from original goal, running everything on your computer. Well, the core of ComfyUI, it still be good and solid. All what we're missing here, it's something flow of new model. In this video, I want to share with you my sources where you can go and find additional new workflows, very good workflows, and just add kind of your own feed inside the ComfyUI to progress and run everything on your local computers without utilizing API calls or purchasing and paying for the services. Let's start with first source. It's official ComfyUI Hub, and reason why I want kind of share with you, and by the way, all links to all sources will be down below in description, so you can go directly. But this is how you can go and check what is the latest workflows was added inside the ComfyUI without updating. So you can actually write your own agents that go and can check constantly what is new is released and notify you if it's worth the update or not. So the next one is a little bit older source, but they still have a very nice, solid original foundations for your workflows. And if you're doing any agentic coding and creating your own workflows or just going through all of them, this is a very good base for you to utilize. This is based on the GitHub. And if you're going, you'll notice right there, we have some very nice, older, solid type of workflows, and you can access them as well. I would recommend for you if you look for the basic, because many new ones, they actually branch out of the older update, but this is base. So another one, and of course, of this place, everyone probably know who work with ComfyUI because it is one of the best base. It is Civitai. Civitai currently separate on two, Civitai and Civit.red, which is more X-rated kind of stuff, which is make a little bit nicer because now you can go on Civitai from your workplace and don't worry of some unwanted images maybe pop up. So I do appreciate them separating this. But in here, you can also find a lot of workflows. Number one, of course, you can go to any gallery, take image, drag and drop on your workplace, and most of those images will have a workflow embedded. But beside this, I'll show you another way you can do it. So if you're going in models on your Civitai, and here in models, you're going to the filters. Inside the filters, going down where it says workflow, you can select workflow. You also can select all times by day, week, so you can select any as well as the new latest. So you can rearrange all of those models as you want it. And here, well, workflow, sorry. And right here, you can see you have it all of these multiple different workflows that you can sort. So they are well located. And with a filter, you can easily access and download it, those workflows. Another interesting source I want to show you. Again, this time it's still a little bit older on updates, but it still have some very nice workflows that I like to use it. It is located on GitHub on some ComfyUI, and right there you can see they have it workflows. Even it says a little bit new, they're kind of older, but they do have it a very original and good workflow. It's very good source again for those who use the agentic programming and want to create your own workflows, or you want to look on some nodes and branching out, creating fork from those ones and update them. So this is another good source to go over, even it's not have the latest. And if we speak about latest, I would recommend for you to going on a Reddit, specifically ComfyUI. And here you'll notice people posting all the time their new workflows. This is more untested place because if other ones have it somewhat solid workflows, and you can see on the ratings. So here is more people just sharing what they created, their own workflows, and you can try access, just check them. Reddit will be similar with some Discord channel that you may find about ComfyUI, but I prefer in Reddit format so I can access from here as well. Similar things can be on other social medias like Facebook, um, and I do work on those channels, and they're kind of nice. They develop everything. Telegram channel you can find. General, what I want kind of summarize in this group, not just Reddit, but social media channel, depend on what platform you like it, so you can find this one. I'll put a link down below for few of those groups that located on Facebook, they're located on Reddit and other channels, and you see wherever you like it. Couple other things I want kind of mention for you in a way you can create your nodes or your workflows. It is getting sources. For example, right here, ComfyUI Nodes.info. It is a nice place where you can retrieve additional information about nodes. This is just technically a dump of the data from inside the nodes. But if you're using Agentic Programming, you can just connect to this and retrieve information or scrub out information to use it with your developing. And speak about Agentic Programming. If you're not familiar, this is more the hands-on kind of developing. It is, I have two different types. One, what we call vibe or hope programming, and another one, agentic or AI assistant coding. The kind of two different approach. One is hope. It's what it says. You just write and says, hey, create for me ComfyUI workflow that does something specific. And with correct AI model, you actually can have the very decent code or base it. Another one's when I refer the agentic coding or for AI assistant. This is more guided, and this is you actually can create a very solid, very good and products, but it's require a little bit different approach. You will need to create framework, you need to create some tests and run many different kind of require a little bit more hands-on and understanding how it's work. Just let you know, I'm working on a course which come out for those who interested, where you can create a quite a bit sophisticated with agentic coding applications. For example, right here, one of the this is just a code, but I developed like a little bit better than Photoshop actually, which fully connect with AI online and on your local machine. But that will be in another place. Right now, I just want to say you can try to do this, and it's have many different AI coding applications that allow you also create workflows. All what you need to do is have it AI model, preferably. You can install like Ollama on your own computer again, and from there just asking a prompt to build workflow specifically for ComfyUI. This is all is a Python driven programming, which is for many pre-trained models, relatively easy to create, and you can try create your own workflows this way. And here just one interesting mention of, like for example, the image.me. It is specifically workflows that focus a little bit more on a Z image orientation. I do like it how the image work, and I found some interesting workflows inside the website. Again, all links to the source that all resources are showing in this video will be down below for you in the descriptions. Check for yourself, let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Bye.